In building a brand, you have to understand that your brand stands for many things. And um, having that idea of building any particular personal brand or starting a brand of your own, you must be able to study it. So, in this video, we're going to be talking three things that will make your brand stand out, make your brand different from others, and make your brand that unique sense of humor that people want to see. So without without saying too much, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and comment to this channel, and let us go right into the video. All right, my name is Kevin Jackson, by the way, and we're doing this together. So number one thing is the brand. What is the brand about? The brand you're starting. What is the brand about? Who are you targeting? Why are you starting the brand? It is important for you to, before you start any brand, the brand is an art of standing for something. It's an art of being able to signify that this is what this brand is about. For example, the palm tree you see on Peak Milk does not really mean that is Peak Milk, but that is the brand. When you see that thing, even though you don't see the peak, the name peak, but you will understand that this is the brand. The thing you see on Indomie, those the noodles you see on Indomie does not mean that that is how exactly the package is inside, but that is the brand. So you have to build your unique signature around your own brand. What is the brand for? Now, we often make the mistake of starting something without knowing why we started it. So, it is in our nature as human beings to make these mistakes. But you have to understand that when you start up something, there must be a reason why you are starting up it for the first time. So, people that are looking up to you know that this is what this brand is for. This is why this brand was created. Number two, what is this brand solving? What is this brand fighting for? What is this brand standing for? Why is this brand being initiated into the market? So, after knowing why you open the brand, tell us what the brand is standing for. For example, your brand is for medicals, and standing for medicals means that this brand is a medical brand. This brand is a humanitarian brand. This brand is a agricultural brand. This brand is a skincare brand. So you have to let people know that this brand is for this. This is the problem that this brand is facing, and this is the problem this brand is solving. So building your brand after you know what it is for, you have to know what it stands for. Very, very important. So the last one, but important, very, very important, is the last one. And so the last one is building trust. Your brand must be trustable. Your brand must be full of trust. Now, you don't just start a brand because you want to start a brand or you feel that you are good enough to become the brand of your brand. So there must be trust around the brand you're building. Now, look at the cement company. Most of the cement company have stand for more than 15 to 20 years and they are still standing. Not because they are good enough, but because they have built trust in the market and people coming into the market have recommended this particular items in cement, in nails, in roofing, based on the brand that trusts. They trust this brand that this brand will deliver, that this brand is unique. So building your brand must be trustable. You must be able to build that trust. How you're going to build the trust is that if you say that your brand, your product is delivering this remedy to the solution, let that remedy be what the people get, the consumers get, what the people are asking for. That is what your brand delivers. So by so doing so, you are building trust. And over the time, consistency is also very important in brand building because you have to show up. You make sales, you don't make sales, you show up. You are having patronage, you don't have patronage, you're showing up, you're producing, you're always showing up. Brand is about consistency. You have to be consistent to be able to push it to the general public for people to understand that this brand has come to stay and this brand is trustable. So with this short video we have been able to make, I believe that you'll be able to know that these are the three fundamental things you need in building your own personal brand. And if you build your own personal brand, it is sellable, it is trustable, it is verifiable, and people will be able to recommend what you put out to the market, what you put out online, what you put out in public. People will be able to understand, this brand, this is what this brand is made for. So I haven't come to the end of this video. Please, it was nice talking to you guys. My name is Kevin Jackson, by the way, and I would love to see you guys again in the next video we're going to be doing. So give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments, whatever comments you want to comment below, and I'll reply back. And subscribe to this channel, and we will see each other in the next video.